From the makers of Zevluck, we have here, it's a round chandelier. It measures up to 40 inches. It's 3-tier, black, 3 bars, 3 levels of lighting, with a chain. Hang in a living room, a kitchen, a dining room, wherever you need to hang. We're going to show you how to set up and install and what this is all about for our demonstration purposes. From the makers of Zevluck, nicely packaged, and opening up the box is going to be your fixture. Some assembly is required. You get your bracket to hang on top, your hardware, your chain, your fasteners, and you're going to need a tool to bend them in, a metal flat ring, and a cosmetic cover. Individually wrapped is your glass crystal triangular design. 84 pieces of glass to be exact. And on the bottom will be a round fixture base and an instruction guide on how to install. Please supply your own light bulbs and place in 4. The bulbs are maximum of 40 watts. With an optional screwdriver, unscrew all the screws. The long screw on top and in. The bar with the hole on top, start to thread and lock down. Repeat for the other 2. With the holes facing inward, the ring and the other screw, lock each one down. Lock all the screws down. With the location to hanging your bracket, hang up, center the bar and lock down. Unwrap your ground and leads. Lock down your link cap. The height you want your chandelier. Start to snake your leads through. With the open link, you're going to connect and lock down. With this piece, you're going to slide in your cable through the hole and your ground. You're going to link up your cable to the chain link, lock down, close up. You're going to take the stem and put your ground in first, followed by the neutral load leads together. Slide down. And then last, you're going to take your lead, place in. With the link, you're going to slide your cables through to center the hole. And then your cover on. You're going to now screw this on top, or we're going to place on top, slide our leads through the center. And then we're going to hook up our load and neutral. I'm going to hook up my load. I hooked my ground up first so I could work hands-free. For my demonstration purposes, I've taken the shank off so I give you a close-up shot. And I tighten everything back up. I slide my cover on and I screw my top piece on. 29 crystal And the metal clips, we're going to take each one, place through the hole, bend up by holding like so, and repeat for all 84. Then take the other end, stick into the fixture, and bend. And repeat for all 84. As we're finishing up the second layer, what we need to do next will be to take the top piece off, so this way we can get the actual units on. On the top there'll be 3 screws to remove. Lift the top cover up and away and hang. When done the first half of the side, you can simply take the ring, swing it on over to the opposite side, and work on the rest. You're given 6 extra clips and 4 extra K9 crystals, and wrap it up by putting them on like so. Take your time, they go on real easy, and then you're simply going to take the cover and you're going to lift up on top, match holes for holes, and lock back down gently. The K9 Chandelier round 3-tier unit with E12 40-watt bulbs. With the overhead lights shut down, it gives you a beautiful design for your living room, kitchen, hallway, wherever you need to put a round chandelier. It hangs about up to 40 inches with the chain. E12 bulbs are not included. You're given 3 spare and 6 additional clips. It is black, chain linked, 3-tier bars, crystal, all around. From the makers of Zevluck, your round chandelier 3-tier. I hope you enjoy your product. If this is something that you are looking for in a chandelier of your choice, check online for further details about your product and what is offered from the company. I hope you enjoy your round chandelier, and thank you for viewing.